Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Today is an exciting and phenomenal day. Today I am going to give you a speech. Now, graduates, I don't know if you know me, but I am Muhammad Amar Khan. We went to high school together, where we had good times. And today I want to give a big congratulations to everyone, including myself, for being here today. The world we live in is plagued with dangerous Ebola, ISIS, global warming, facial acne, COVID-19, and despite all the odds, we still managed to graduate. So let's give us a thunder of claps and round of applause. It was only 3 years ago that we came to this academy known as Government College University as young. Timid sophomore, we found ourselves lost in its halls like there were the changing staircases of Hogwarts. Though nervous as sophomore, we started getting a hang of things, and junior year for many of us brought experience, and for many more of us it means stage 1 seniorities, and now here we are done with high school. And last but not least, we have realized that we are the most attractive class ever. As our student body president Mr. Ahmed Hassan has observed, quite one might say we have aged well. And now seniors listening to me deliver this brilliant graduation speech. We are though afflicted and overwhelmed with seniorities. Now at the end of our careers as students, we have an opportunity. Indeed, this is our time to take on the world and to find and pursue our passions, to quite leave a legacy. William Shakespeare once said, "Some are born great, some achieve greatness, and someone greatness thrust upon them." In life, we cannot always count on being born great or having greatness thrust upon us, but always remember that the opportunity to achieve greatness. Keep in mind that many of our social and political leaders and heroes started their lives as an average person, as just one of you and me. Despite the failures and mistakes we will make, and although I may be average, we find that the average can achieve greatness, whether recognized by the world or just a few. Greatness comes from our friends reaching out to us, those who go out of their way to be thoughtful, the unsung heroes. If there is anything you take from today, remember that to leave a legacy and to achieve greatness is not to get money and recognition. It's to leave those with whom you cross paths with a little more happiness and hope. Our time here together as a senior class will not be remembered by grades, popularity, likes or favorites, but by our relationships and the kind of person you are. These are legacies, the kind we must leave. Class of 2020, it has been an outstanding 3 years with you, and from the bottom of my heart, I wish you all the very best. Thank you.